Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation on the future of human-computer interaction in the immersive age. My name is Sai Ravi Alla, and today I will walk you through an exploration of how immersive technologies like virtual reality and augmented reality are transforming the way we engage with computers and digital systems, guided by the core forces of interaction, tracking, and questioning, as discussed by Kevin Kellis in The Inevitable. We live in the world where the line between humans and machines are blurring. Human computer interaction or HCI no longer simply involves keyboards and screens. It's evolving into an intuitive sensory experience. Emerging tools like VR and AR are redefining this engagement, allowing us to step inside digital environments. But to fully understand this shift, we need to explore three powerful forces: interacting, tracking, and questioning. These are not just technologies, they are transformational behaviors shaping the future of our connection to machines. Chapter 9: Interacting. Kevin Kelly's chapter on interacting presents a radical shift in how we communicate with technology. Instead of controlling systems through indirect methods, we now engage with the data in immersive, embodied ways. Interacting with VR or AR allows users to move through information physically, walking inside a simulation or manipulating virtual tools with gestures. This sensory immersion removes the boundaries between user and interface. Over time, technology will now anticipate our actions based on how we move, look, and speak, making interaction feel like a seamless extension of thought. Chapter 10: Tracking. But how does technology adapt to fluidify? The answer lies in tracking. In immersive environments, even every gesture, glance, and physiological response is captured by embedded sensors and variables. This data allows systems to learn about our preferences, moods, and behaviors in real time. Kelly views this not as a privacy breach but as an inevitable shift on that can enrich, personalize, and empower systems to serve us better. Whether it's customization or workspace or adjusting a training module, tracking is the bridge between our internal world and the machine's external response. Chapter 11: Questioning. Next, we have questioning, arguably the most profound of the three forces. There is where machines evolve beyond obeying commands and start asking questions themselves. As Kellis describes, intelligent systems won't just answer, they will initiate curiosity, suggest alternatives, and surface new ideas. Imagine an AI tool in a VR environment prompting students to rethink their approach, or a design tool that questions a structural decision. In essence, missions becomes partners in the thought, co-creators and in innovation. Technology in action, real-world immersive application. Let's ground this in a real-world example. IKEA Creative. This AR-powered tool allows users to scan their rooms and test furniture layout virtually. It tracks room dimensions, user preference, and even light conditions. But more than that, it interacts spatially, responds to gestures, and even questions choices subtly. It encourages users to explore different aesthetics. This is not just smart marketing, it's immersive technology that listens, adapts, and collaborates with the users. Emerging opportunities in immersive HCI. The opportunities created by these immersive systems are incredible. In healthcare, VR assisted surgeries and mental health therapists provide more precision and empathy. In education systems can now explore anatomy or architectures by virtually walking through models. Even retail spaces are adapting with environments that shift based on our emotional start or past behavior. All of the possibilities are enabled through the synchronous force of interacting, tracking and questioning each one amplify other. Future risk and ethical challenges. Yes, this future isn't without risk. Continuous tracking opens up concern about consent, surveillance, and data misuse. When system begins to question us, we must ensure that bias doesn't influence the answer or guidance provided. Immersive FHU Overexposure to digital environments also poses psychological concern, and perhaps most importantly, access to these systems must be inclusive. Designers, engineers, and users must co-create systems that are ethical, transparent, and human first. Synthesis connecting the three forces. What makes this triad of forces so powerful is how they work together. Interaction creates the sensory pathway. Tracking personalizes the journey. Questioning depends the meaning. In combination, they transform machines from tools into companions. Machines that know us, adapt with us, and challenge us. The immersive future isn't simply technological, it's relational, emotional, and deeply consecutive. Conclusion. As we move into the immersive era, we must remember we are not just creating better interfaces, we are designing better relationships. Immersive technology should empower curiosity, enhance understanding, and promote deeper human insight. Interacting, tracking, and questioning are not isolated forces, they are the heartbeat of more intuitive, thoughtful, and connected future. Let us shape this future not just with code but with compassion, curiosity, and care. Thank you.